This video will show you exactly how to install the Facebook app on your Mac. Whether you're using a MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or iMac, I'll walk you through the easiest way to get Facebook. And let's first open the App Store on our Mac device, and then search for Facebook. We'll get a lot of different search results here related to Facebook. We'll get WhatsApp. You can see Messenger in here, but we don't see the Facebook app itself, and that's because they don't have an official app in the App Store just yet, so we'll have to use another little trick in order to get the app. I will exit my App Store, and then I'll open Google Chrome or Safari on my Mac. Whichever browser you're using, it doesn't matter. Our job now is to navigate over to facebook.com, and then log in with your email address and password. As you can see, I'm already logged in with my Facebook account, and let's first show you how to install the app from within Google Chrome. Locate the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Then we're going to click on this Cast, Save, and Share option. I can then select the Install Facebook option, and that will put the Facebook icon in our Mac dock, and we will essentially have the Facebook app installed on our Mac. If you need to keep the app icon in your dock, just right-click on the app icon, select this Options section, and now you'll see this Keep in Dock. So tap on this, and then the app will be saved in your Mac dock, so you can access it at all time. Let's now install the app by using Safari, and the steps are pretty similar. I'm going to log in with my email address and password. Then click on this File section at the top left corner of the screen. After that, select this Add to Dock option, and that will also put a little Facebook icon on our Mac dock, and you can start using Facebook as an app from now on. If you found this video useful, please consider leaving a like on it, and I will see you in the next video.